Hey partner, I wanted to give you a quick update here at Global Food Providers. We are getting ready for a huge 2025. Expansion is planned everywhere, and we have the attention of everyone. Even the government here is interested in the nutrition that we've been providing, because it answers the plight and the need of the indigenous all through Latin America, especially in Panama, where we're at. But hey, I just wanted to shout out to you. We have just got a particular need here, and I'll just give you the skinny on it real quick. Here in October, our funding, we are 100% funded by volunteer support, by partners and one-time donors. And our donations have dropped by 60%. We're already operating on fumes, and it just kind of put us under this month. Had a drop, and who knows why. It's tough times for a lot of people, and then back to school and all of that. Well, this week we got hit with this truck lost a alternator and battery. An alternator went crazy and blew the battery out of this thing, so I had an extra expense there. Our backhoe, the Bobcat, blew a radiator, sprung a leak in the radiator, and so that is in being repaired. We blew for repair. We blew two backpack sprayers that we have to keep the farm safe and free from insects. And so everything is in for repair right now, and there's more. There was more special incidents when these things hit in the tropics. Everything's rusting. Everything's going down. It's all cheap Chinese parts. There's a whole lot of extra reasons in this world why things break. And in the middle of it, though, we just keep pushing forward. We know it's going to cost a third more. It's going to take a third more energy, a third more blood, sweat, and tears. But when God's called you out to a people group, then he's going to take care of it. The old saying is, where God guides, he provides. And so we would really appreciate if you've got an opportunity just to drop an extra whatever, or even better, if you have not yet, to sign up with us. There's links below to join us. 25 a month, 50, 100, 500 a month, whatever it is that you, your company, your workplace, your foundation can support and provide. We can stretch it farther than anyone I've ever seen. We really, really appreciate you during this time, and hate to have to come out to you, but we are 100% funded and supported by our partners. And so you need to know when we got an extra special problem of some kind, and that's what we're letting you do right now. Our God is faithful. We know that he provides for those who give to the poor. He meets their needs, and we want to thank you in advance for your prayers, your love, your passion, and your support. God bless you, and we look forward to seeing you soon, hopefully right here at the Farm and Dehydration Center in Panama. Come see us.